What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be putting on a new front bumper, well, new to the truck front bumper. If you guys didn't already know, when I bought the truck, it had a little bit of a front end damage. It looked like whoever owned the truck lightly rear-ended someone. So frame wise the truck is still straight, but the bumper did take a little bit of damage, and right behind the license plate there's a dent, and since it is chrome it is very noticeable. Luckily though, we bought a parts truck not too long ago that I didn't really mention to you guys, but I did get a parts truck simply to take parts off for the 720, the ST. Now here it is. This is off of an 85, just base model. Nothing really changes on the front bumpers. I polished it myself. Now you can see there is some dings. It's not perfect, but it is way better than the one that is on there. The polish could be done a little bit better, but for a little elbow grease, it didn't come out half bad. As you can see, this one has a pretty big dent right here, and a very big dent right here behind the license plate. Now, it's not too big, but it does go up right here, and it does go in. So, like I said, since it is chrome, it is very noticeable. But this should be an easy swap. I know it's a little hard to see, but those two bolts right there are what are holding on the bracket to the frame rail. So the bracket is bolted to the bumper inside of here. You can see it's missing one of the little bolts with the button head on there. But I'm just gonna swap out the whole bracket along with it, since that's what I did on the other truck. Now if you get just the bumper itself, you would have to swap these or unscrew these, but they are a square. I don't know what the proper name is, but it's a button head on top and the bottom of the head is a square, so it locks itself. So all you have to do is make sure that doesn't pop out while you're trying to screw it in. Just hold it in with one hand and screw it in with the other, and it'll stay there. But yeah, since I have the brackets connected to the other bumper, I might as well just replace the brackets, especially since it's only 2 bolts versus 3. And then for your turn signals, it is just a Phillips screwdriver, so you want to take those off. Obviously remove your license plate to swap over. On the side of the bumper there is one 10mm bolt on this side and one on the other side that holds the side of the bumper to the fender so it doesn't rattle around. Here it is. Looks 1,000 times better than this one. You can see this one's all wavy. Now this one isn't perfect. There's a little bit of a dent up there, but overall it looks way better than this one does. Now we just gotta swap over the license plate and put these side bolts. Now these are giving us a hard time since the bumper wants to sit back and the holes are a little slightly forward. So we have to kind of pull it forward and try to get those at the same time. So it's kind of like a 2-person job, but it's 1,000 times better. It ended up getting a little dirty, but nothing a little bit of polish can't do. She looks 1,000 times better. Soon she's going to be getting some new wheels. I want to know if anyone has an idea of what they are. Put it down in the comments if you guys think you know what they are. But once she gets her new shoes, she should be looking a whole lot better. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.